everyone, so right now I'm actually preparing myself to go to the photo shoot. Today I'm actually going to take you to my behind the scenes. I'm going to show you my second world, which is the photo shoot, which is the clients. I'm going to show you how I do the model makeup. I'm going to show you how the photo shoot is gonna be. I'm going to show you how I'm setting up. I'm going to show you all the shebang basically. I'm just really excited to show you my world. And yeah, all I need to do right now is just to drink my coffee and let's go. Are you ready?
Let's go.
So basically the things I'm always making sure to actually take with me is I am taking with me a suitcase right here, my brush belt, and the ring light. I feel like the ring light is something that is super necessary to have when you do makeup, because you always want to make sure that you actually have enough light to see that you're doing the makeup right, but also to take some pictures. So I really think that this one is just like super useful. So that's basically the place that I'm going to set up all the, I'm just gonna show you. Basically, that is the high table over there. That is the high chair, and this is the place. Super quiet over here to actually do makeup, and it's just like so comfortable. So yeah, it's just like my little studio right here. So I actually got many questions, how do I bring all my stuff, or if I have any makeup case. I just taken my suitcase, which is like the most comfortable thing. I'm just putting all the stuff right here. So I just have these little bags right here where I'm packing all my small makeup like concealers, foundations, and stuff like that. Here I have all my skincare. I always bring towels with me, and I brought also cooling iron just in case I wanted to do a hair. And also I bought these palettes right here. I'm just gonna show you. So I also bought some palettes right here. Of course, this one is just not all the makeup, but I knew what I'm going to use today. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and set up everything. I'm always making sure that I have sanitizer right here so I can actually sanitize my hands, and that I have this sanitizer spray right here. It's just like super important to have sanitizer products while you do the makeup. And I always using this tool right here, so I'm making sure to put the foundation, the brow pomades over here. So it's just like so much more easier for me, and it's also so much more sanitizing. And this is how the setup looks. So I have the ring light over there, just give me extra light. I got this one from Amazon for about $100, and I also can put all of this big ring light right here in this small bag, so I can carry it with me. It's like so much practical, useful, and it's really nice product right here. Today is gonna be very sunny, and I really hope that the weather is gonna be good for us for the photo shoot. It's just like so much harder to do photo shoot outside and bring out the makeup in the camera beautifully. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to do with something very natural, but at the same time, I'm just gonna go and keep it shimmery.
What's your name?
My name is Shina.
Shira.
Oh,
Shira.
That's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna have a seat. Do you have something on your face right now?
I just put lotion on this morning.
Okay. What kind of skin do you have? Do you have dry, oily,
It's kind of a combination.
combination? Okay. Yeah, so pretty.
Funny picture.
A lot of drama. I'm beaten, I know that. I look like okay. Do you have scissors?
We're just gonna go and do this just to get it inside. Oh, you look fire. Daddy just looks so cute. Hey, buddy. So we are looking for the perfect light because it's actually pretty sunny right here. So we actually just came right here to, so it's actually no shadows too much. This was just like so pretty. So we were looking for a green background and we was thinking actually to ask from her to write down, but there was like so much bugs on the floor. So what we did is actually found this beautiful tree that it has a lot of leaves on it. It's just like so green and the pictures just looks like fire because it's everything just in the background. It's like so green. It's coming out beautifully with a dress. We just came out right here to the pool area. Oh my gosh, I'm just looking like a mess. And there was just like more trees over there, just like more sunny a little bit. We also changed the outfit, and this one right now is just like gonna be a really nice photoshoot right here. Alrighty, so after the photoshoot is over, it's like so much fun. And I really enjoyed it and I cannot wait to see the results. If you're new to my channel, just make sure to subscribe my channel and press on the bell right here so make sure not to miss any of my future content. And let me know what you want me to see in my next video. Bye bye!